Hi, fabulous friends. Welcome back to another Money Monday video. So I've been doing a lot of videos talking about how to earn money, save money, that kind of thing as a mom who works from home and also runs a business and homeschools and goes to college and tries to manage the household. Saving money and earning money is always something on the forefront. So as I learn different things through my journey, I'm going to share with you. I want to share with you how to make money or get free product or very cheap product through posting on social media. So the way to do it right now, the one that I'm doing currently right now this week, in fact, I'll have some B-roll during this video showing you some different things behind the scenes of the process. But this week I am working 2 campaigns for Influenster.com or the Influenster app. Influenster is an app that is very easy to use. It actually has made some changes since the last time I did a campaign for them. Normally, when I first started Influenster, they did Vox boxes where they would send out, they would do surveys, and if you fit the criteria of a specific campaign that's being run by a brand, then they would send you a box of either full size items or sample items, and then they would ask you to do certain tasks like review it on Instagram or review it on Influenster, that kind of thing. So that way the word's getting out about the product. So this is one way to get one free product, also to get discounted product. And I'm going to share with you how that happens. This is new, at least new to me. I don't know when they started this process, but they have also started where you can actually do campaigns where you purchase the product locally and then submit your receipt and they'll reimburse you. I did 2 of those this week. One was for Mike's Hard Freeze liquor. And then the other one is for Just Crack an Egg omelet rounds. I'm also ordering the Zyrtec facial or allergy wipes, which should be in the mail as soon as I can go ahead and process and get those off. And then I'll probably do that campaign next week. I want to show you, I'm on the Influencer app right now on my phone, and I'm going to show you, so this is my account. And I believe I signed up with Instagram. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's Instagram. I signed up a long time ago. But every once in a while, I'll get messages saying, hey, we need you to do these snaps. Hey, there's a VoxBox promotion up. So you want to make sure you've got it connected to your email and you're checking that email often, because oftentimes they'll send you out VoxBox promotions randomly throughout the week or the month. So you want to make sure that you've got that up and going. I've missed out on VoxBox's free product just because I wasn't checking my email. So that's super important. Shadow's making an appearance in the video. Hi, bud. All right, so when you go to your Influencer app, when you go to your profile tab, which is right here, of course, then it says My Campaigns. So you'll see My Campaigns. It's good. It tells me I have 3 new snaps I need to do, which are surveys. And then if I press See All, it's going to show me all the campaigns that are available or have been available or are still running that have not closed out. Now, all of these campaigns don't have product available anymore. So the ones that do have product available, I signed up for. So the ones that have product available for is Just Crack an Egg omelet rounds. Then you've got Mike's Hard Freeze right there. Then the Shady Brooks Farm cashback campaign, which is one that I'm going to try to order online because I can't find the product here in my local area. And then the Zyrtec Digital Wipes campaign. This was available. The 3 Bridges Breakfast Digital campaign was available. However, by the time I found the product, it was already gone. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So when you click on, say, this Land O'Lakes butter with olive oil and sea salt, this was a campaign. It's still running, so people are still submitting, so it has to be up here. It's only got 3 weeks left to go. It says when it ends right here. And then when you click on it, it says no more products available, which means that they've filled their quota for how many reviews that they're expecting to get, that kind of thing. So I can't enter into that one. And that's fine because I've already got 4 I'm trying to finish in the next 2 weeks. Now, the Mike's Hard Liquor Freeze campaign, and this is why I'm posting this today for you, is it I just scanned my receipt probably about 10 minutes ago, and it said there were 150 left. Now it shows that there's no more left, which means I was one of the last 150 to get in on that, and that was 10 minutes ago. And now it shows that all products have been claimed, so I can't, I won't be able to, or nobody new will be able to enter into this Mike's Hard Freeze. So let me tell you about the Mike's Hard Freeze campaign. You pay for it, you upload your receipt, and then they are going to reimburse you $17.99 of the purchase of the product. This was actually $20.99 in my store, so I paid $3 out of pocket for this, but I'm getting $17.99 back. So I'm sorry, I paid the full amount out of pocket, but I'm getting $17.99 back to my PayPal account, and then so my final cost is $3. So that's kind of how it works. Just Crack an Egg is still available. It was just a minute ago when I uploaded the receipt. Whew, I'm glad I got those receipts in there. So Just Crack an Egg is still available for, I'm just pulling it up. It doesn't show a number yet, so it's not getting close to their number as of yet. You can buy up to $10 worth of product for Just Crack an Egg omelet rounds. It's got to be the ones that they specify in the promotion. And you'll find all the details on that under Details tab right here. It'll just outline it for you. And then if you go over here to the activities, it's going to tell you what activities that you've committed to doing. So I've committed to uploading my receipt, which I already did. So I'm going to have to double check that. Write a review on Influenster, which is right there, and post a pic on Instagram, which is right there. That's it. That's all I've committed to doing. And once I get my receipt uploaded and everything's connected to my PayPal account, they will go ahead and send me $10 for purchasing this. So the cost of this the cost of this final cost for all three of these, breakfast for my daughter, for basically at least 3 days, it was 50 cents. 50 cents. And all I have to do is write a review on Influenster and post a picture on Instagram. There are bonus activities that you can do in each one or most campaigns, and you can choose to do those and whatever they will offer you for doing that. There are bonus opportunities. The biggest thing I could say about Influencer is if you say you're going to do something for them, definitely make sure you do it. Don't say I'm going to do it and then not do it. Now, there are cases, so like the VoxBox. If you get a VoxBox, you have to agree that you're going to do certain things, certain actions for that. There are cases where like these campaigns where you say you're going to do it, but you can't find the product. Well, then that's fine. But if you upload your receipt and you say you're going to do these actions, you want to make sure you're doing them. So like, for example, when I press on the Mike's Hard Freeze, it says right here that I've only got to review Mike's Hard Freeze Variety Pack on Influencer and post on my Instagram stories. Now, there are some bonus activities, which I will probably do. I think they're fun. I think it also shows that I'm a team player, and if I like the product, I definitely want to do that. And that's the thing. They don't want to pay for you to say, I like the product. They want real reviews. And so that's also important to keep in mind. All right, so that is pretty much Influenster, and really simple, easy projects to do. Posting on Instagram, posting, writing a review, those kind of things. Those are things that most of us, if not all of us, most of us can do. If you don't have an Instagram, get an Instagram account, because Instagram is very popular on Influencer. If you don't have an Instagram account, sign up for an Instagram account. If you have a phone, you should be able to sign up for an Instagram account with an email, and then a phone that takes pictures. You want to make sure it's got the capability of taking pictures. But you might find that posting on social media is your jam. And if that's your jam, then that's cool. I never thought posting on social media would be my jam. I'll be honest with you. I'm actually, I'm very friendly. I come across as outgoing, but I'm actually an introvert. I'm actually, I like to be a homebody. I like to do that kind of stuff. But it's kind of fun posting on social media. And I get to create memories with my family. So that's another nice thing. We go back and we look at our social posts, and they're great memories. For example, the campaign for these Did Just Crack an Egg is going to be a breakfast with my daughter and me. We're going to, create some kind of memory or a story off of this, and it's going to be fun. It's going to create a memory, and it's going to be a fun experience. So, social media posting is kind of fun. And a lot of times you get free stuff through apps like Influenster, and or they pay for the majority of the product to be reimbursed, because prices vary in different areas. So they're going to say, this is how much we're going to pay you. So try to find it within that amount. And so you're getting, to try a new product, and you get to share. So I think that's kind of neat. So it's a great way to really get your feet wet. Also, Influencer is a great way to get your feet wet in the social media posting game, I guess, because their restrictions or their expectations are not as high as some of the other ones. For example, I signed up for Aspire IQ, and I'll be doing a video on that in the near future. I just signed up for them, and they put you on a wait list if you're not, if your numbers aren't meeting the baseline numbers that they have. I was lucky enough that I think it was my TikTok qualified me for being approved. However, they were higher numbers than I was expecting when I first signed up. So I'll talk a little bit more about Aspire later. But Aspire IQ is another one that I'm going to share with you in the future. But this video is about Influenster. And Influenster, I highly recommend. I've never had an issue with them. I've never had a problem with them. As long as if I say I'm going to do something and I do it, then it's all good. It does say if you say you're going to do this and you don't do it, that it's going to negatively impact your Influencer account, which means that you might not get a box, or you might not get offers to different promotions. So you definitely want to make sure that you follow through. But the follow through is super easy. Writing a review on the Influencer app and posting a picture on Instagram, those are 10 minutes of your time. Or, however long it takes to stage the picture or come up with the story, that kind of thing. So they're short, they're easy, they're simple projects to do. And it's really just about motivating you to, review a brand and giving your honest opinion. They want honest feedback. They don't want you to blow smoke. They want you to be honest about your feedback, which I think is really nice too, because it's not forcing you to have to say, oh, this is a great product. Cause I'm not going to do that. If I find that there's something wrong with the product, as you know, watching my channel, I'm going to tell you this is wrong. So I think it's just important with keeping the integrity with my audience, you. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you found some interesting information. I'm going to link up Influencer down below. It's going to be I'm putting all of my links in the link tree listed down below. So it's at Linktree / Jamie Brumfield, but I'll link it all down below. You can just find the link from there, and you can find other things. It's going to be under Get the Money Saving Apps. That link will also have this, because you are saving money. You're saving a lot of money if you do these campaigns. So I'm looking forward to trying them out and seeing how they work. And I will keep you posted if there's any kind of issues with getting payment or anything, but there's never been any issues with Influenster before. I just uploaded the receipts for these. So they say it can take up to 2 weeks, but a lot of the rebate apps say it can take up to so many days to get your payment, and it usually is pretty quick. So I'll let you know on the community tab how payment went, and also down in the description box in case you are curious about the follow through. And I'll post some pictures of what we did, as far as you can find the pictures at Jamie Brumfield on Instagram. And also I'll probably do a review of these products on the channel too. So keeping in mind that's coming too. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe. join our family, join our community, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.